Hello everyone, it's Monday. Saturday I made a video of me building this box and filling in wood chips. I did fill in the center a little bit with some of the dirt from all around all of this area when I cleaned it up. Took yesterday off. Today I cut 16-inch long 4x4s, and we had some old cedar fencing that I had left over. And we have 2 planks. There's a little extra down below to set inside the ground. So we built it all the way around, at least the horseshoe part. This area right here, this little section here, and then this little section right here, we're going to worry about later. This here is for the pole barn. Good Lord. For the pole beans, and then pole beans over here. This right here got planted with 6 tomatoes, and we got 2 peppers. And then this little tray has got some leftovers that we haven't figured out what we're going to do with yet. Some of them didn't even make it, but we'll figure that one out. And that, as well as this back here, we're not sure what we're going to plant back behind there either just yet. Come this weekend, I'll get a couple bags, quite a few bags, fill all this in with some beautiful dirt. I have some boxes that I'm going to lay down inside there as well. But for now, the architecture is done. Now we just need to put in some dirt and plant. This area is complete for this season. Like I said, I might come back later on, but we're not too worried about this area here or this area over here. We're just concerned with the U at this moment in the center. All right. So that's the update for today. Until later, y'all have a beautiful day.